Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Kia with a 2.4 Gdi engine and you need to remove or replace intake camshaft position sensor. Stay with us, we will explain how to do that and where it's located. Everything will be covered from start to finish. Now that should work on multiple Hyundai Kia models that use that 2.4 Gdi engine. And let me tell you just a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We'll be taking that engine completely apart and show you how to fix pretty much anything on it. Why? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. Now, if you guys need to buy any of your parts, tools for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and supplies from. So, with that being said, let's explain what we have specifically here. That's the engine, 2.4 Gdi engine out of a Hyundai Kia vehicle. So, if you look at it, okay, you have that engine cover. In order to get to the intake camshaft position sensor, you will need to actually go ahead, okay, and remove the engine cover. So how you do that? Grab and pull. Once you do that, okay, you're going to notice that that engine, okay, it's a 16 valve engine, 4-cylinder engine, 4 valves per cylinder. So we have one intake camshaft, exhaust camshaft. On the back side is exhaust, on the front side is the intake. So if you look at your engine right here guys, okay, you will see that this device right here is known as an intake camshaft position sensor. If you want to see how to test intake camshaft position sensor, the video is on our channel, so please check it out. We'll have the video that will explain how to do that. Now if you need to replace it, how you do that, okay, you push right there, okay, and disconnect it. If it's stuck, what you need to do, push down, then push on the notch and pull up. Perfect. Now that bolt is a little bit inconvenient, okay, you will see that bolt is not easy to reach, okay, and we'll need to use a wrench, okay, to get that 10mm socket out, because right here you have the intake manifold. You can see the vacuum lines for the purge control valve and the vacuum line as well. So the only way to do it will be, okay, with an offset box wrench. Okay, let's see how tight our is, or we'll go through this side. Okay, let me see if we can grab it this way, okay, so we don't round it. Okay, you're going to see. Okay, let's see if we can go like that. Okay, just I need to flip the wrench the other way. It's a ratcheting wrench, so that should make my wife a little bit easier now. Okay, check it out, it came loose. Now that bolt is loose, and at that point you should be able, if you get it with 2 fingers, okay, to twist it, which is not too complicated. So go ahead, okay, remove it gently, not to drop it because it will come loose. Don't drop it. Perfect, that's the bolt. The sensor may be stuck. Why? Because there is an O-ring that prevents oil, okay, oil leaks. So you can gently move it, twist it a little bit and pull, okay, and that's the sensor right here. Now sometimes if you have problems with the sensor, it could be something such as a really dirty sensor, okay, because it has a magnet and it can build like metal shavings and things like that, and that can prevent it from reading correctly. But that's how you guys remove it. For any of you that need to replace it with a new one, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get one for a really good price. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.